Hello everyone, welcome back to the Anita Mavita show. Thank you so much everyone for coming back. Merci beaucoup na bino sunandenge bozongi lisusu liboso na ngai. Please guys, share this video in case somebody is interested in this hair. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for the next video. Please ba famille na ngai bo partager vidéo, peut-être mutu mo akoko za intéressé na Suki oyo. Bo s'abonner, bo like, bo comment, bo partager. Nzamba lolo akozangisa kopambola bino te. In today's video, I will be talking to you about these two beautiful wigs I got from AliExpress. Lelo na kolobela bino a propos ya ba perruque oyo ya kitoko oyo mibale na zwi yango na AliExpress. Very beautiful hair, very nice, easy and simple to apply. Okay guys, this is the hair. The hair is here. But for me, Suki yango yangoyo, bomoni ndenge Suki yango ezali. Wow, the hair comes with 2 eyelashes. Suki ena ba silia miss mibale na kati. Nice one. 2 wig caps, ba chapeau ya mitu mibale. 4 headbands in different colors. Oh my god, I'm in love with these colors. Et na 4 bandes na ba couleur différent. Eza vraiment kitoko. Finally, this is the hair I'm talking about. I got in 22 and 10 inches. Wow, water weave, simple and easy. Ba famille na Suki oyo na mulai vende na diz ezali Suki moko basala onga na mai nde makambo. Suki moko vraiment kitoko makasi donc eza easy. How the wig looks like. The reason I'm in love with this Headband wig, there is not a lot to do and easy to apply and also to save some time. Raison o na sepeli na perruque oyo po ezali facile ya ko appliquer yango pe okolexa ba air na yo ebele pe stick together to make Headband. Where is ali sentir no bakangela ka yango pe. So now I'm going to put my wig on. Siko na kolata perruque na ngai. Use the hair clip to help my hair to stay in place. Nazo ko utiliser clip wana po aider Suki na ngai evanda place moko. Yes, this is the back of my hair. O ezali sima ya mutu na ngai. As you can see, I'm sticking the vehicle together. Na lota sentir wana ensemble po ekoya te. Yes, this is the clip on the hair. Where is the clip kanga yango na Suki. Alright, first things I'm going to use is leave-in conditioning and mousse and go ahead styling. Eloko liboso nazo ko utiliser ezali conditioner na mousse. Après wana na okende ko sala ma modèle moko oyo ngai na lingi. Yes, this is the mousse. I always use this mousse. It's very nice. Na utilizaka mousse oyo vraiment trop ezalaka bien ekangaka Suki makasi. Yes, play a little bit. Yes, touch it from front to the back. Yeah, balol pakola yango pena bien na liboso na sima. Yes, this hair, I'm in love with this hair. It's so easy and simple to style. You got so many options ya kotia ba midele bele. Ozana ba option bele ya kosala any style oyo moko olingi osala yango. Yes, I'm in love with this hair, but this hair is only for like everyday life. Suki ezaka pona chaque jour, like when you are going to drop kid to school, you go to school meeting, you go to shopping, you go to college, you go to work, you know, something like that. Suki ezaka Suki moko soko kene misala, college, ozoti kaba na class. So now I'm going to try my hairbands and I style my baby hair already to save time and to make my life easy. Siko nazo kene kumeka ba bande de cheveux bozo mona esi na sali ba Suki na ngali boso na sali yango déjà modèle pour na ko perdre temps. Wow, look at that. Bino moko botala vraiment Suki oyo eza vraiment kitoko. It's so beautiful. Wow, glue free. If you are not a glue person, go ahead. Like me, I don't like to use glue in my hair. So kozali mutu oyo olingaka ba Colle mutu na yote utiliser Suki oyo. You have so many options with this hair. You can even put it up on ponytail. You can do different style as much as you like. Style it, go left and right, back and front is up to you. This hair is very beautiful. You don't need glue free. This hair is very useful. You can use this hair when you are going to school, when you are going to college, when you are going to drop kid to school, when you are going to school meeting, when you are going to shopping, when you're going to work. You can use this hair. It's very good and nice and simple. Suki o format ezali kitoko makasi okoki ko utiliser soki ozokende musala, ozokende classe, ozoki kotika bana classe, ozokende na bag meeting na classe, ozokende ba wenze, eza vraiment kitoko. Soki oza mutu oyo osalelaka qualité, salela suki oyo ezali pena bien makasi. Oza na ba option ebele na suki oyo. Look at me. I choose the short one because of work, because of infection control. We are not allowed to wear long wig. That's why I choose the short one for work. And we were allowed to have 2 colors. So all these colors it match with my uniform. Look at that. And the short one is even look more beautiful on me. Bomoni nazu ya mikuse o pona musala pona ba infection tozala kana droit ya kolata basuki ya milaite et puis tozana droit ya ba couleur différent. Do ba couleur oyo na moni esimbi pe kaka na uniforme na ngai. Wow, bozo mona yango very nice. This hair makes life easy and glue free. That was my video for today. Thank you for everyone was watching me. Merci de meso bande ko landangai. See you na next video. Dia notre penza mbalo la apambola bino. Please boy aider bobo sanate ko partager, partager. Peut-être moto moko akoko za na intéressé ndena lobaki liboso na suki oyo. To mona na bino mbala sima. Bye.
Inauguration, Yakoma UK, collaboration, Tosaka Luka, solution, Kaka pour l'intégration. Oh, Eza, Anita Mavita Show, Bobosana, Kosa Bonete. Oh, Eza, Anita Mavita Show, Bobosana, Kosa Bonete. Butalaka, Anita Mavita Show.